In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use browser extensions for one-click logins, making your online experience faster and more secure. Stay tuned because at the end, I'll share a way for you to try out the best extension for this, and it's only available through this channel. First things first, one-click logins are exactly what they sound like. Login methods that allow you to access your accounts with just a single click. Browser extensions are the perfect way to set this up. They store your login credentials securely and automatically fill them in when you need them. To get started, the first thing you'll need is a browser extension. There are several available on the market, but we'll use a popular one today. I'll walk you through how to get it, install it, and set it up so you can start saving time every day. Head over to your browser's extension store and search for Password Manager or One-Click Login. Pick a well-rated extension and install it. If you don't already have one, make sure it's from a trusted developer. I've tested a bunch of these, and the one we'll use today is secure, easy to use, and trusted by millions of users. Once the extension is installed, it will usually prompt you to create an account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, you'll be able to start saving your credentials for your favorite websites. Now, here's the magic part. Once your accounts are saved, the next time you visit a website, the extension will automatically fill in your username and password, and you'll be able to log in with just one click. It's as simple as that. For extra security, most extensions also allow you to add two-factor authentication to the login process, which is an added layer of protection for your accounts. If you haven't already enabled two-factor authentication for your important accounts, I highly recommend it. This software makes it easy to set that up too. If you're wondering how you can try out this extension for yourself, don't worry, I've got you covered. I've partnered with the creators of this software to offer a free trial for my viewers. It's exclusive to people watching this channel, so make sure to grab that free trial in the description below. One more thing, if you ever need to update your saved credentials, just log into the extension, go to your saved accounts, and make the changes. The extension will update the information for you, making sure you're always up to date. Key takeaway: using browser extensions for one-click logins is an easy way to streamline your online experience. You can save time, stay secure, and access your accounts faster. Make sure to grab the free trial in the description below and start using this software for a better, faster login experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the exclusive offer below and get started with your free trial today.